What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So this will be part 2 if you guys seen part 1 of deck restoration, where we cleaned this exact deck. So we washed it and then hit with oxalic acid to brighten it, so the deck looks really good right now. But now it's time for part 2. We're going to stain the deck. So today we'll be applying Stain & Seal Experts Sequoia color oil-based stain to the deck. Stain & Seal Experts, very good, high quality stain, pretty much foolproof. Excited to put it on this this clean deck and make it look new again. So first thing we're gonna start off with doing is just a little bit of sanding, light sanding in certain areas. The whole deck does not need to be sanded, so only literally touch up sanding before we apply the stain. We got all of our tools right here, which I'll go over in a second. But right now I'm just gonna go ahead and do that little bit of prep. I've already swept off the deck. It's been blown off, had a couple webs, so knock those out the way. And we're gonna get knocked out. And hopefully by the end we have a nice, beautiful product you guys will see, and that would be, from basically from step A to Z on deck restoration, from cleaning it to sanding it. All right, guys, let's get started. All right, guys, so right now just doing some light sanding. We got 150 grit for the rougher areas and then 60 to smooth it out. Not doing a whole lot. Just in areas where when we wash, where it frizzed a little bit. Just want to touch it up. All right, guys, so just applied the first, oh man, my tape is getting messed up. Just applied the first layer coat of this stain. And guys, this Stain & Seal Expert stain is pretty much, like I said before, it's foolproof. You can get your toddler to apply this stuff. You can't mess it up, really. And by that, it's self-leveling. So if you put it on too thick, it's gonna level out by itself. This is all stuff that's not coming from me either. This is coming from directly from the company. So I applied the first coat using the electric sprayer, and I'll show you guys that in a second. Right now, I'm kind of just doing some back brushing on these. So far though, I'm loving the color. This is a Stain & Seal Expert Sequoia color. Alright guys, so they also told me on metal, it's fine if it gets on the metal because it doesn't adhere to metal surfaces. So that's not a big deal. Once we're done, we're literally just going to wipe it off. Hours, guys, finally done staining the deck. Took a little while. I'm drained right now. No food, so I did this on an empty stomach, so I'm super tired, but results came out great, guys. This stain really is foolproof. This is my first time staining a deck, and looks great. So let's go ahead and flip the camera and show you guys the things about it. All right, guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this video of deck staining. If you guys want to get some stain, you want to start staining as an add-on service, or if you'd like to stain your own wood at home, definitely check out Stain and Seal Experts. Great company, great, amazing stain. Can't talk enough about it. Check them out. Tell them I sent you. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. The course is on, well, it's not on sale anymore for $49, but it is $97. Still a great deal. Ebook's $10. Link is all in the description. Besides that, guys, I'm drained, so I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.